Tired of trigger delay in your Infinity? Here's a hack that will sort it right out. Right guys, a nice simple hack to take out the delay in the Infinity trigger. Nice and cheap. I'll leave a link in the description for the parts you're going to need. So this is my Infinity. It may look different to yours. I put a different trigger in it, and mine's got a polished back, but it's the original first gen CR Plus Infinity. So the first thing you're going to do is take the back off your brush, undo the chuck, slide the needle out, take the chuck off at the back like that, unscrew your trigger tensioner all the way out and take that out, and then you see the spring come out. Take the spring out as well, and then take this bar out here, and now on this bar, see this point here, this is where we're going to do the hack. Now what I'm using is 2 of the little Teflon washers that you get on your nozzles. So on the Infinity nozzle, the little white Teflon washer, you get 2 of them, what we've got there, and you're going to push them over the end of this bar here. They will fit on, just push them on like that. Get the next one and push them over that bar like that. And that's the hack. Now just put your brush back together, and what this will do is this will take out the play when you pull your trigger back. Put your tensioner back on, put your chuck back on, just fit the nozzle back in. Put your needle in, like that, nip that up, put the body on, and that's your hack done. When you look down inside this piece here now, you'll see your 2 little washers, and they come up close to the back of the trigger, the half moon trigger bar now, so they come up close to that. So when you pull back on your trigger now, you're getting a more direct contact to the back when you move back, and this will take that lag that everybody complains about in the old school Infinities like this one. So give it a go guys, it does help the trigger response on the Infinity. You can only do this on the older version. You can do this on this one, you can do it on the Evolution older Evo, the aluminium Evo. The new 2024, there's no need because you've got no lag or delay in the new brushes. But the old one, everyone was complaining there's a little bit of lag, and that will sort it out. So enjoy guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.